Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide Instagram followers and following list. Alright, so let's begin with the video. By default, anyone can view your followers and the people you follow on Instagram, and the only way to hide this information is by switching your account to private. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page from the bottom right corner. Once here, tap the three lines at the top right to access your setting menu. Here, scroll down to Account Type and Tools. Check your account type. If you see the option to switch to a professional account, that means you're already using a personal account. Now go back to the main settings menu and tap on Account Privacy. On this page, turn on the private account option and confirm the change. Once your account becomes private, people who don't follow you will no longer be able to see your followers or following list. They will still see the number count, but not the full list unless you approve their follow request. So that's basically how you can hide Instagram followers and following list. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.